Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to be looking at rating control in DevExpress. Now we'll go to the toolbox search, write rating control. Now we'll move over our form 1. As you see that, something like this. Now we click here, we check what we can do from all properties. Here item count is how many stars we have. It is 5. We can make it 10, something like this. Let's first let's remove that one, and now let's double click on our form 1 and let's put some value. You say rating control, rating. Here it takes a decimal number, so I will put 6, but the moment let's run it. As you see, 6. Now beside this one, we would like to check from properties what else we got it. Let's see. Field precision. Here we can make it to exact. So I will show you by meaning exact what it means. Let's say it was 5, yeah. Or let's go from codes. I will make it 6.5. Since it takes decimal, I have to say this is decimal number. I will put n. It is decimal. Let's run it. As you see that, it is 6.5. You can change it. Anything. Beside this ones, I would like to get this value inside the text box whenever I change. Let's go from properties, event, edit value change, and let's put our text edit. And let's name it as a text there. Let's put star. And now go to properties. Here I will say text there, start text equal rating control, rating to string. Now let's run it. It's 6.5. It comes from whenever our form 1 is loading. As you see that. But one more thing, whenever as you see that, 1 minute, we have a lot of 3. I just want to be shown first 2. After precision, only 1 digit I want it to be shown. Rest of them I want to remove it. Let's do how to do that one. From here I write substring. It will start from 1 until 3, because it is its comma is also is 1. It will start. Let's see, run it. We have an error. Now I made a mistake. Index should start from 0. Now let's run it. As you see that. So beside this one, what we can do more? Let's go from properties. What else we got? Here is rating control. From here. Now let's see. Anything is useful. And also let's put a button we'll write any value inside our text box, any decimal value, and our rating control will be selected. Let's move control over here, maybe something like this. Let's put our simple button here, and let's change the name, btn star. And now from image, let's add image. Anything regarding star, maybe here also check it. Yeah, that's better maybe. Let's double click our star button, and now we'll say takes the rating control dot rating equal takes the star dot text, but it will not be functioning because since its rating is decimal value, we have to convert it into decimal. Our text box, we say convert to decimal, and let's now try. Say 9.5 as this is functioning. 2.5. Rating control is something like this. We can even put 5. No. 5.0 maybe. Let's see. Sorry. Not point. Yes. That's it, guys. Thanks for